हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सभी को नमस्कार, सभी को स्वागत है इस सेशन में। सो दिस इज द वीकली स्कोर बूस्टर सेशन एंड टुडे वी विल कवर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स फ्रॉम 4th of July to 10th of July. And as you all know that you need to read the daily current affairs from our app. It is also available on our website, right? You can just go through the current affairs in detailed current affairs. You will find the in detailed current affairs on our app or website in the current affairs section. Please go through it, okay? It will be very useful for your upcoming examinations, and after going through the daily current affairs you can attend this class, right? So this will act as a revision tool for you. So every Sunday 7 p.m. please do not miss this class, right? एज यू ऑल नो IPS PO में मतलब जो भी मैंने कराया था IPS PO IPS क्लर्क में वो आ गया था, ठीक है। ओके, आई ट्राई टू कवर द मैक्सिमम, राइट, मैक्सिमम फैक्ट्स, मैक्सिमम इंफॉर्मेशन, ओके, दैट कैन बी कलेक्टेड। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द सेशन विदाउट फर्दर एडू। और ये जो क्लास का PDF है, PDF आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगा, ओके। टेलीग्राम का लिंक भी आपको मिल जाएगा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, ओके। यू विल फाइंड द डिस्क्रिप्शन, you will find the link of our Telegram channel in the description box. Alright, and guys, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe to the channel and do share among your friends so that everyone can benefit from these free classes, right? So let's see, and today before we start we'll see the homework. That is, this will be your homework for the day, okay. After this class is over, please do mention the answers in the comment section. So you have to do it, okay. First one, who has authored the book The Light of Asia? Very important question. I am giving 3 stars, okay. Please mention the answer in the comment section, alright, after this class is over. Next one, where will India's first maritime arbitration center be set up? This is also quite important, very important. And the third one, India's first movable freshwater tunnel is to be installed at which railway station? All these 3 questions are important. Please do a small research, okay. इससे क्या होगा, आपका भी पढ़ाई हो जाएगा. And please mention the answer in the comment section. Very very important, okay. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का सेशन. First question, Sri Ashwini Vaishnav has taken over, rather has taken charge as the Minister of Railways, Communications, Electronics and Information Technology. You need to say what is his constituency. So ऐसा क्वेश्चन आपको मिल सकता है एग्जाम में, राइट. यू नीड टू से व्हाट इज हिज कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी. सो यू कैन सी टाइमर इज रनिंग, ओके. आई एम गिविंग यू एक्स्ट्रा टाइम. सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, यू नीड टू रीड द फैक्ट्स इन डिटेल्स. सो उनका कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी है ओडिशा, ओके, राइट. एंड लेट अस हैव अ लुक एट द अदर ऑप्शंस. सो Piyush Goyal's constituency is Maharashtra. Nitin Gadkari's constituency is Nagpur, Maharashtra, okay. And Gujarat, whose constituency is it? It is Dr. S. Jayashankar's constituency. Next one is Jharkhand. Of course, Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi's constituency is Jharkhand. So very very important from the exam point of view. And as you all know, Mr. Ashwini Vaishnav, you can see here, right, he has an engineering, he has a stellar resume, isn't it? Because he has done engineering in electronics and communication, okay. Same means I am also in graduate in electronics and communication engineering, okay. And of course he is gold medalist, right. And he has done his MTech from IIT Kanpur, just giving you brief detail, right. He has done MBA from Wharton. Then his IAS rank was 27, alright, all India rank was 27, and he was the collector of Balasore, okay. So these are some of the details, okay, just to let you know about his background. Next one, who has recently launched the YSR Bima scheme with new guidelines where the government itself will directly pay the insurance amount to the family of the deceased to make the insurance claims easier. So very important, YSR जब भी नाम आता है आपका आंसर हो जाएगा आंध्र प्रदेश, okay. So let us have a look at some of the other schemes. So just have a look here. Andhra Pradesh government allocates 750 crores for YSR Bima scheme. So, can you mention some of the important schemes of Andhra Pradesh? So, let me tell you. First one, Jaganna Amma Vodi, Jaganna Amma Vodi scheme, right? Next one, Jaganna Chedodu scheme, okay, Jaganna Thodu scheme. फिर उसके बाद आता है विद्या, जगन्ना विद्या दीवाना स्कीम, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्कीम्स, ओके, विद्या कनुका स्कीम, विद्या कनुका स्कीम, ओके, another scheme is there, illa pattalu scheme, okay, these are some of the important schemes. Then YSR adarsham scheme, adarsham, okay, arogya scheme, arogya Sri scheme, okay, YSR Bima scheme, so many schemes we have. Then YSR Cheutha scheme, okay. So these are some of the important schemes. One more I remember, Kapunestam, Kapunestam scheme, ठीक है, Law Nestam scheme. So these are some of the important schemes of Andhra Pradesh. Recently, who has started the Van Mahotsav week? 1st July it was held from 1st July to 7th of July by planting Parijat plant. So he started it by planting the Parijat plant. So answer क्या हो जाएगा आपका? Answer होगा आपका Prakash Javadekar. Have a look here. Prakash Javadekar started the Van Mahotsav 2021 by planting the Parijat plant. Okay. Next, Dash has launched the Shopsy app to help Indians to start their online businesses without any investment. So क्या होगा आपका आंसर? मेरे साथ साथ आप अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए. And I am giving this premiere session instead of live because it will save your time, guys. Okay, it will save your time. So आंसर हो जाएगा आपका Flipkart. Next, Arun Jaitley National Institute of Financial Management has inked an MOU for building an artificial intelligence and emerging technologies center of excellence with which of the following organizations? So MOU has been signed with Microsoft. You can see here, collaborates to build AI and emerging technologies center of excellence, very important. Who has become the first Indian to qualify for the Tokyo Olympics in 400 meters hurdle? Important sports news, right, in the 400 meters hurdles. So yes, my answer will be, times up, my answer will be MP Jabir. Have a look here, Kerala hurdler MP Jabir becomes the first Indian in 33 years to qualify for Olympics in 400 meter hurdles. Okay, so he hails from Kerala. So ये भी पूछ सकता है. Okay. Recently, the Indian Army inducted the first batch of 12 short span bridging systems which has been developed and designed by, rather the question will be which has been produced or manufactured by, okay, because जिसने डिज़ाइन किया है उसका नाम यहाँ पे नहीं है. So yes, it has been designed and developed, designed, you can say designed by DRDO and manufactured by L&T, Larsen and Toubro. So you can see here, made in India, 12 bridging systems designed, developed by DRDO, L&T, inducted in Indian Army. Okay. So this is a very important step towards Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India. Okay. In which city is India's second largest cricket stadium being built? Quite important from the exam point of view. India's second largest cricket stadium being built. So इसका आंसर क्या होगा? So tally your answer with me. Answer will be Jaipur. India's second largest cricket stadium to be constructed in Jaipur. To be constructed in Jaipur. Who among the following wrote the biography of Nathuram Godse? Quite important from the exam point of view. It was recently in the news, isn't it? So biography of Nathuram Godse. And autobiography means a piece of writing written by oneself. Okay. Suppose I am writing about myself, then it will be my autobiography. So have a look here. Nathuram Godse, the true story of Gandhi's assassin by Dhaval Kulkarni. And have a look at the other options. Kajal Suri's book Habba Khatun, very important. Ruskin Bonds, it's a Wonderful Life, quite important. Khemlata Waklouz, Kashmir Century, Portrait of a Society in Flux, this is also quite important, right? Next, which Indian Navy warship has conducted military drill with South Korean vessel in the East China Sea recently? In the East China Sea recently. क्या होगा आपका आंसर? So answer will be INS Kiltan. Have a look here. Indian Navy military exercise. Indian Navy warship conducts military exercise with Japan and South Korea in the East China Sea. In which state did Union Tribal Affairs Minister Sri Arjun Munda has recently laid the foundation stone of 5 Eklavya model residential schools? So जिन लोगों ने अभी तक जो नया कैबिनेट है, कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स, सो जो रीशफलिंग हुआ है कैबिनेट का, सो वो वीडियो मैंने डाल दिया है. ओके, प्लीज़ गो थ्रू द वीडियो. ओके, प्लीज़ वॉच इट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम द एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, क्योंकि SBI क्लार्क मेंस तो बहुत जल्द होगा. ओके, प्रीलिम्स के बाद मेंस बहुत जल्द होगा, राइट, देरी नहीं है. सो दिस इज़ क्वाइट इम्पॉर्टेंट, आपको पूछ सकता है एग्जाम में, राइट. सो SSC का एग्जाम्स भी नज़दीक है. सो आंसर विल बी झारखंड. फाउंडेशन स्टोन फॉर 5 एकलव्य मॉडल residential schools in Jharkhand, pardon my pronunciation. Dash has launched a project named BOLD. प्रोजेक्ट का नाम क्या है? BOLD. To reduce desertification and provide livelihood. So answer क्या होगा? Answer will be, time's up, answer will be KVIC. Okay, so recently KVIC launched a project named Bamboo Oasis, or you can say Bamboo Oasis, on the lands in drought. This is the full form of BOLD, from the village Nichla Mandwa in Udaipur, Rajasthan. Under this project, 5,000 saplings of special bamboo species Bambusa tulda and Bambusa polymorpha from Assam have been planted over 16 acres of vacant arid Gram Panchayat land of village Nichla Mandwa. Okay, so this is a world record of planting the highest number of bamboo saplings on a single day at one location, right. In fact, it will be in a single day. Okay, so this is a part of KVIC's Khadi Bamboo festival. Okay, in fact, you can pronounce it as bamboo. Okay, some people pronounce it as bamboo. All right, it depends from person to person. Khadi Bamboo Festival, to celebrate the 75 years of independence of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. And one important fact related to this particular news. What is it? The thing is, why bamboo, right? So as you all know, and one more thing, this is the first of its kind exercise, and one feature of bamboo is that bamboo or bamboo, whatever you pronounce, it grows very fast. One important characteristic of this plant, right. Okay, and this particular plant is known for conserving water. Okay, and it reduces evaporation, and as a result it will help to conserve the land surface, prevent soil erosion, isn't it? Next, how many technology innovation platforms have been launched by the central government recently? So ये भी न्यूज़ में था. If you are going through the daily current affairs on our app or website, you must have read this. So आंसर क्या होगा? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका 6 platforms. Government launches 6 technology innovation platforms. These platforms will focus on manufacturing technologies. All right, and they have been developed by IIT Madras, CMTI, that is Central Manufacturing Technology Institute, International Center for Automotive Technology, Automotive Research Association of India, BHEL, BHEL, and HMT in association with IISc Bangalore. Very important, isn't it? A 30-member Parliamentary Standing Committee on Education, Women, Children and Youth Affairs, led by whom, has arrived in Leh for a 3-day visit. So what will be the answer? My answer will be Vinay Sahasrabuddhi. So have a look here. Parliamentary Standing Committee arrives in Leh on a 3-day visit. Okay, right? And see, the Union Territory of Ladakh is focusing on strengthening education institutions, CBSE affiliates to existing schools, and rationalization of schools to improve student teacher ratio and educational infrastructure. Alright. Next, who has been named the flag bearer of the Indian contingent of Tokyo Olympics, Tokyo Paralympics, okay, Paralympics, which is set to begin on 24th of August 2021. So time's up. My answer will be M. Thangavelu. Tokyo Paralympics Rio gold medalist M. Thangavelu named India's flag bearer. So it will be held from 24th of August to 5th of September. Recently, Indian Army Chief General M.M. Naravane, Manoj Mukund Naravane, has inaugurated a war memorial for Indian soldiers in which of the following countries? So, in which country did he inaugurate it? Yes, my answer will be Italy. General Naravane inaugurates Indian Army Memorial, holds talks with Italian Defense Minister. So, ये भी पूछ सकता है Italian, so memorial in the Italian town of Cassino. Okay, Cassino. All right, and Italian counterpart, Defense Minister, Lieutenant General Pietro Serino. Italian counterpart, the Army Chief of Italy, and Defense Minister is Lorenzo Guerini in Rome. Okay, so Italy's Defense Minister ये भी पूछ लेता है कभी कभी. Okay, Lorenzo Guerini, right? If I had been the examiner, I would have asked. Okay, next, which country has been recently certified malaria free by World Health Organization? Another important question from the exam point of view, malaria free. So किस देश को ये certification मिला है? Yes, answer will be China, the main culprit behind the coronavirus pandemic. Which bank has become the second most valued listed PSB, public sector bank, with a market capitalization of over 50,000 crore? Very important from the exam point of view, because we all know that privatization of banks is in the news. So it is on the cards. So answer will be Indian Overseas Bank. It has become the second most valued public lender. Okay, very important. All right. So you can see here, surpassing PNB and Bank of Baroda. Name the Indian American woman who is said to travel to the edge of the space aboard VSS Unity of Virgin Galactic, which is scheduled to fly off on 11th July from New Mexico. So what will be the answer? My answer will be Shirisha Bandla. Shirisha Bandla is flying to space alongside billionaire Richard Branson on Virgin Galactic's 11th July flight beyond the edge of the Earth's atmosphere. Very important, right? Very important news from the science and technology part, science and technology section. Okay, who has recently won the Austrian Grand Prix? Who has recently won the Austrian Grand Prix? So what will be the answer? Austrian Grand Prix. So my answer will be Max Verstappen, right? Recently, Prahlad Singh Patel chaired which edition of the meeting of BRICS Cultural Ministers? BRICS Cultural Ministers meeting. So which edition was it? BRICS Cultural Ministers. So कौन सा edition था इसका? Yes, my answer will be 6th edition. Prahlad Singh Patel hosted the 6th BRICS Cultural Ministers meeting. CRPF has signed an MOU with which organization to train forces in advanced technologies? So क्या होगा मेरा आंसर? My answer will be CDAC. CRPF signs MOU to train MOU with CDAC to train manpower of force in advanced technology projects. Next, so इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Which state government is going to provide old age pension to people aged above 57 years under the Ashara scheme? So Ashara scheme ये भी पूछ लेता है. Ashara scheme belongs to Telangana. Telangana to pay old age pension for people above 57 from August. Who has authored the book The Fourth Lion? Essays for Gopal Krishna Gandhi. Essays for Gopal Krishna Gandhi. So who has authored this book? So this book has been authored by both, see, Venu Madhav Govindu and Srinath Raghavan. So both A and C. Okay. Which international airport has unveiled Operation Prava, a flood mitigation project? So which international airport is it? Which international airport is it? So my answer will be Cochin International Airport. Okay, 130 crore Operation Prabha to mitigate potential floods. All right. National Housing Bank has imposed a monetary penalty on Housing Development Finance Corporation, that is HDFC, of dash. So what is the penalty amount for non-compliance with certain provisions? Non-compliance with certain provisions, the amount is 4.75 lakh fine on HDFC for technical non-compliance, right? Who has taken charge as the Director General of All India Radio? Who has taken charge, who has taken over as the Director General of All India Radio, AIR? So मेरे साथ साथ आप अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए. आंसर हो जाएगा आपका N Venudhar Reddy. N Venudhar Reddy. Which company in partnership with Aditya Birla Finance Limited launched the Postpaid Mini? What is it? An extension of its buy now pay later service to offer micro credit of up to ₹1000 to app users. So yes, my answer will be Paytm. My answer will be Paytm. The book Lady Doctors, The Untold Stories of India's First Women in Medicine is authored by whom? Lady Doctors, The Untold Stories of India's First Women in Medicine has been authored by none other than Kavita Rao. Have a look here, Kavita Rao, right? And let us have a look at the other options. The Nutmeg's Curse by Amitav Ghosh, very important. The Seven Sins of Being a Mother by Tahira Kashyap Khurana, this is also important. And Suresh Raina's autobiography, Believe, this is also very important. Next one, PhonePe has partnered with Dash to launch contactless scan and pay feature for the e-commerce majors pay on delivery orders. So time's almost up. आंसर क्या होगा? आंसर हो जाएगा आपका, आंसर होगा Flipkart. PhonePe has partnered with Flipkart to digitize cash on delivery payments. Okay. So as you all know, there are some issues regarding cash on delivery due to the COVID-19 pandemic. So one feature of Amazon is that the delivery boy will deliver the parcel and at that time you can pay him online. So he will share a link. So I had recently purchased something from things from Amazon. So that was the process. Okay. Similar is the case in Flipkart. Which edition of the International Film Festival of India will be held in Goa from 20th to 28th November 2021? It is the 52nd edition. ठीक है. Panacea Biotech has received a license from DCGI to manufacture which vaccine? So it is to manufacture, it's none other than Sputnik V, Sputnik vaccine, right, the one from Russia. Okay. Last week one of my student got the jab of Sputnik V. Okay, she got the dosage of Sputnik V. I don't remember the hospital. It's obviously a private hospital or private clinic it was. So she has got Sputnik V. Okay, first dose. Who has recently launched a national initiative for proficiency in reading reading with understanding and numeracy, that is Nipun Bharat. Okay, Nipun, right, NIPUN, for ensuring that every child in the country necessarily attains foundational literacy and numeracy by the end of grade 3 by 26-27. So, yes, it is none other than Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, right. It has been launched under the aegis of the centrally sponsored scheme of Samagra Shiksha, right. Nipun Bharat aims to cover the learning needs of children in the age group of 3 to 9 years of age. Next one, who has become the brand ambassador of Khadi Prakritik Paint, Khadi Prakritik Paint, right. So, by KVIC. So, he has actually declared himself the brand ambassador. Yes, if you have guessed it, yes, you have guessed it right. Of course, it is Nitin Gadkari. Gadkari, brand ambassador of Khadi Prakrit, to promote paint made from cow dung. So, this is basically made from cow dung, right. Which mobile app has recently been introduced by the central government for the fish markets? Those who are for the fish farmers, pardon. So, I am making so many mistakes today. So, for the farmers who are involved in fishing, right. So, it is none other than Matsya Setu, or you can say Fish Setu, Matsya Setu. Okay, you can see here the name Matsya Setu. So, have a look here. Sri Giriraj Singh, he has launched it. Okay, ये भी पूछ लेगा आपको एग्जाम में. Sri Giriraj Singh, who has launched the online course mobile app Matsya Setu for the fish farmers. आंसर हो जाएगा आपका गिरिराज सिंह. Next one, Ramgarh Vishdhari has got the center's nod to become the fourth market, very important, fourth tiger reserve of which state? Ramgarh Vishdhari has got center's nod to become the fourth tiger reserve of which state? Yes, it is Rajasthan. The answer will be Rajasthan. How to remember? The state's name starts with R and this also starts with R. Ramgarh Vishdhari, Rajasthan. Dash has partnered with MasterCard to launch Mandate HQ for recurring payments. Mandate HQ for recurring payments. So, what will be the answer? So, MasterCard के साथ किस कंपनी ने टाई अप किया है? Yes, my answer will be Razorpay, right? Razorpay. Bajaj Allianz General Insurance has entered into a corporate agency agreement with which of the following banks? Which of the following banks? This is also very important from the exam point of view. So, what will be the answer? The answer will be Bank of India. Bank of India will now distribute Bajaj Allianz General Insurance products. Alright. Next, which e-commerce company has completely abolished single-use plastic packaging? So, this company has basically pledged not to use single-use plastic packaging anymore, right. So, what will be the answer? My answer will be, yes, time's up, answer will be Flipkart. Flipkart eliminates single-use plastic packaging from supply chain. Which city will host the 2022 AFC Women's Asian Cup? Very important. AFC Women's Asian Cup. So, which two cities will be hosting it? Of course, my answer will be Mumbai and Pune. Have a look here, Mumbai and Pune, right. AFC Women's Asian Cup 2022 to be held in Mumbai and Pune. Who has inaugurated and addressed the CoWIN Global Conclave? The CoWIN Global Conclave. So, who has recently inaugurated and addressed the CoWIN Global Conclave? मेरा आंसर हो जाएगा, my answer will be Narendra Modi. PM Modi addresses the CoWIN Global Conclave. Alright. International Day of Cooperatives is celebrated every year. International Day of Cooperatives is celebrated every year on which date? So, it is celebrated every year on which date? So, मेरे साथ साथ आप अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए, टाइम्स ऑलमोस्ट अप. So, yes, it is observed every year on the first Saturday of July. Very important, on the first Saturday of July, right. So, theme क्या है इस साल rebuild to better together, rebuild better together International Day of Cooperatives, right. So, this year it is on 3rd of July, okay, 3rd of July, right, first Saturday of July, and 3rd Sunday of June, that is Father's Day, it was Father's Day, okay, 20th June, ठीक है, Father's Day, isn't it, 3rd Sunday of June. Next, who has been appointed, recently appointed the governor of Mizoram, the governor of Mizoram. So, what will be the answer? So, yes, my answer will be Hari Babu Kambhampati. Now, let us have a look at the other options. P.S. Sridharan Pillai is the governor of Goa. Tawarchand Gehlot, Karnataka. Satyadev Narayan Arya, Tripura. Next one. Mangubhai Chhaganbhai Patel, M.C. Patel is the governor of which state? So, he has been appointed the governor of which state? So, my answer will be Madhya Pradesh. Now, let us have a look at the other options. West Bengal's governor is Jagdeep Dhankar, we all know. Maharashtra Bhagat Singh Koshyari, Himachal Pradesh Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar, right. Now, as you all know, there has been appointment of the governors, new appointments. So, I have given the complete list of governors. Andhra Pradesh Sri Bishwabhushan Harichandan, Arunachal Pradesh B.D. Mishra, Assam Jagdish Mukhi, Bihar Fagu Chauhan, Chhattisgarh Susri Anusuya Uike, okay, Anusuya Uike, Goa P.S. Sridharan Pillai, Gujarat Acharya Devbrat, Haryana Bandaru Dattatreya, Himachal Pradesh R.V. Arlekar, Jharkhand Ramesh Bais, Karnataka Tawarchand Gehlot, Kerala Arif Muhammad Khan, Madhya Pradesh Mangubhai Chhaganbhai Patel, Maharashtra Bhagat Singh Koshyari, Najma Heptullah of Manipur, Meghalaya Satyapal Malik, Mizoram H.B. Kambhampati, Nagaland R.N. Ravi, Orissa Ganeshi Lal, Punjab V.P. Singh Badnoor, Rajasthan Kalraj Mishra, Sikkim Ganga Prasad, Tamil Nadu Banwari Lal Purohit, Telangana Dr. Tamilisai Sundarajan, Tripura Satyadev Narayan Arya, Uttar Pradesh Anandiben Patel, Uttarakhand Baby Rani Maurya, and West Bengal Jagdeep Dhankar. Who is the Minister of Information and Broadcasting and the Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports? Of course, this is the same person, IB and Youth Affairs Sports, Information and Broadcasting, Youth Affairs and Sports. So, who is it? Of course, you know the reshuffling. I hope you have already seen the video of the new cabinet ministers. Answer is Anurag Singh Thakur, right. Kiren Rijiju is now the Minister of Law and Justice. Pashupati Kumar Paras, Minister of Food Processing and Industries, and Gajendra Singh Shekhawat is of course the Minister of Jal Shakti. Okay. World's tallest sand castle has been constructed in which country? World's tallest sand castle has been constructed in which country recently? So, yes, मेरे साथ साथ आप अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए. आंसर क्या होगा? Yes, my time's up. Answer will be Denmark. Tallest sand castle ever, Guinness World Record. Standing at just 21 meters, the world's tallest sand castle has been built in the town of Blokhus in Denmark. The structure, reinforced with glue and clay, took 4860 tons of sand to make. It is open to visitors and will stand in place until the winter. So, quite interesting, isn't it? World's tallest sand castle, right? So, with this we come to the end of today's session. Please do mention 46 में आपको कितना मिला, and please note it, guys. So, SBI clerk prelims is getting over. You will not get much time for the mains, even if there is postponement of examination which may or may not occur, right. You need to prepare well in the GA section. The most scoring section is GA and English, okay, right. Of course, in clerk mains you need to score high in all the 4 sections. However, GA and English can be a deciding factor, right, okay. So, please do well in these 2 sections, right, because I am in charge of GA and English, you all know, right? I teach GA as well as English, so I must see that everyone gets decent marks in both these subjects, right? So if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to the channel और वीडियो को ज़रूर लाइक कीजिएगा, राइट, एंड ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिएगा, बिकॉज दिस इज द फ्री क्लास, राइट? फ्री क्लास, you can watch this session again and again, right? By increasing the speed, it will act as a revision tool. And mark my words, those who have watched my classes before IPS PO, IPS clerk, they are already placed now, right? You can just have a look, you can just see the details on our website, right? They used to follow my current affairs classes every Sunday, right? And they used to read the daily current affairs, all right? One more student is there, she scored pretty good marks in GA section, but due to quants she could not clear last time. So no issues, you have your chance, right? You can always improve from your mistakes. So please do well in this section and please go through the daily current affairs, and after that please attend this session, very important session it is, okay? So चलिए फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में, एंड मंडे टू फ्राइडे आपका, मंडे टू फ्राइडे एज यू ऑल नो आपका रीजनिंग क्लासेस रहेगा। मेंस के लिए अभी रीजनिंग क्लासेस शुरू हो जाएगा, ऑलराइट? मेंस के लिए रीजनिंग क्लासेस शुरू हो जाएगा, क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग इंक्लूडिंग क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग, हाई लेवल पजल्स सब होगा, और उसके साथ साथ बहुत जल्द आपको DI एज वेल एज बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस का क्लासेस भी मिलेगा, बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस एज वेल एज डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन, ठीक है? तो चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में, and very soon you will be getting the next videos of idioms and phrases and root words, ठीक है? जो videos मैंने upload किया है, I hope you did not get time to watch them before your prelims, so please do watch it, okay? So please do watch those videos, because idioms and phrases mains में पूछ लेता है, ठीक है? Right? Pattern is changing day by day, so go and watch it, go and watch those videos, they will be very useful, I am telling you guys, आई एम टेलिंग यू रिपीटेडली, बिकॉज जो इन्फ्रेंस बेस्ड इंग्लिश क्लास मैंने लिया था, इन्फ्रेंस बेस्ड बहुत दिनों पहले, बहुत महीने पहले, एग्जैक्ट सेम पैटर्न IPS PO मेंस में पूछा गया था, ठीक है? एग्जैक्ट सेम पैटर्न, आई कैन challenge you, right? Just go and watch that video, you will find the exact pattern asked in IPS PO mains, okay, in the English section. So please, जो भी मैं कराता हूँ, please watch those classes, okay? If not the live one, please watch the recorded class, okay, right? So चलिए फिर मिलते हैं, stay home, stay safe, and of course stay hydrated, and do take care of yourself, your family members, your parents, right? So God bless you guys, take care, bye bye.